everyone and welcome back to another cooking tale. So for today's recipe, we are going to make a very easy snack slash merienda for everyone. So if you love cheese, you're definitely gonna love this recipe. So we're going to start with our breadcrumbs and we're just going to put some spices to it para hindi ganon kadal yung lasa ng ating breadcrumbs and magkaroon ng spice. Wow! Pero guys, optional lang to Yung iba, naglalagay na lang dyan ng salt para magkaroon ng lasa yung breadcrumbs. Yung iba naman wala. Pero ako, mas gusto ko siyang lagyan, lalong-lalo na tong basil leaves kasi ang bango niya and iba talaga yung lasa. Wala akong oregano leaves ngayon, pero pwede nyo din lagyan if you have. Wala, gagamit ako ng mozzarella cheese guys kasi gusto kong magkaroon ng hatak effect sa dulo. Pero kahit anong cheese pwedeng-pwede dito, hindi naman tayo maarte. Gusto ko lang talagang matry yung paghinila yung cheese. Alam niyo yun? Basta, alam na yun. So, half lang yung gagamitin ko dito kasi konti lang yung gusto kong gawin and gusto ko lang din siyang itry gawin kung magiging successful siya. So yun guys, para dito sa coating natin, same lang to nung ginawa ko doon sa aking corn dog using mozzarella stick video. So if you didn't watch it yet, you can watch it after this video para wala lang, panoorin nyo no? Aray. So, ayan guys, dapat lagi tayo nag-perform ng consistency check, okay? Hindi lang sa flour. Yan, i-coat lang natin yung mga mozzarella cheese natin dun sa batter na ginawa natin and then, ready to roll na yan dun sa ating breadcrumbs. Okay guys, knock knock. Who's there? Frying time. Frying time who? Oh, it's frying time again. You're gonna leave me. I can see the faraway look in your eyes. Wow, Julina magdangal. Corny ba? Okay na yan. So ito guys, hintayin lang natin mag-golden brown yung ating mozzarella sticks and make sure na lagi niya yung babantayan ha kasi natutunaw yung cheese as you can see naman. Para ma-absorb yung mga excess oils, pwede tayong gumamit ng tissue kasi ang pangit naman kainin pag sobrang mamantika yung ating mozzarella sticks. So guys, taste test. Okay, so try natin kung may hatak effect ha. Sana hindi mag-fail. Okay. Chakit. Walang ganon. Hindi tayo susuko guys. Meron yan. Kahit konti lang. Please, please. Oh, ayun no. Ayun ang dahilan kung bakit mozzarella sticks yung ginamit natin. Pero sabi ko nga, kahit anong cheese, okay na okay yan. Pero syempre, ang dull naman kung yun lang yung gagawin natin. Kaya naisip ko gumawa nitong sausawan niya, which is very easy lang guys. Mayonnaise and ketchup mix lang yan. And lalagyan natin yan ng konting basil leaves para magkaroon ng kakaibang taste of heaven. Wow! So, ayun guys, this will be the end of our video today. If you wanted to create this recipe as well, sobrang dali lang niya and sobrang sarap pa. Do it now and let me know your thoughts on the comments below. And yes, if you like this video, please give this a like. And if you didn't subscribe yet to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and push that bell so that you will always be updated to all of my other uploads. Bye guys, see you on my next cooking tales.